So hi everyone. So as we all know, the web is the largest source of digital objects, which keep on getting lost. That's why we work every day. Now, I have a question here, is that the amount of online media is and will be increasing in the future, while the amount of printed media is decreasing. And as you saw in the keynote this morning, many countries already have most of their printed media digitized. So the question is, what will the National Archives and the National Libraries be doing in the future when all the printed media is digitized? This is why we need ready-to-use tools to safeguard digital objects published online. More than tools, we need services. This is why we created a catalog of services to preserve digital objects published online. So this way, anyone can contribute to safeguard humanity's digital legacy. These services are available at Arquivo.pt/catalog, and I'm going to present them briefly. So first of all, first step of preservation, we must acquire information before it vanishes. So we have a web form in which anyone can archive any page that they want. It's called Archive Page Now. It used to be called Save Page Now, but we think that Archive Page Now is a better name. So it's available here at Arquivo.pt/Archive Page Now. If you have a PDF, for instance, of a paper, you can just submit it to another service called Citation Saver, in which the service extracts all the links cited and archives them automatically. So this way, you get the citations in your traditional documents more robust because they get web archived at Arquivo.pt. And this is one of our killer apps, if you can say so, called Memorial. So the idea is that when a given site starts being updated with content, all its information is copied to Arquivo.pt, and the domain can redirect to this content, and all the information remains available. Now, after collecting information, we need to provide access. If you cannot access, the information is not preserved. It's just stored. So we have this toolkit of tools for searching text from the past, kind of a Google for the past. We can browse the history of a given address and browse all the information. And you have special replay options, such as complete the page. This is something kind of magic for the people that come from traditional archives, because what happens if you have a missing content in a page, you click on the button and it gets recovered automatically. So this is very interesting in a way that anyone can help curate the pages within our collection. We can search images from the past, which is a service that I think is unique worldwide. And we provide application programming interfaces so that other people can develop new tools using our services. And after we have all this information stored, accessible, we need to provide also tools for dissemination. I'm going to give some examples so that you can inspire initiatives within your own web archives and institutions. Like you can easily create exhibitions of web archive documents or publish data sets. Oops, sorry. You can publish also data sets about this information, so that when someone wants to study a given subject, doesn't have to start from nothing. They can start from a given data set about a given theme, like for instance, elections. We provide trainings on web preservation and research. We have 4 training models, and we are preparing to launch an online course. And whenever you want, just give it a try, disseminate it. It's public and free and available to everyone. So Arquivo.pt Toolkit for web archiving, just use it.